The raw meat diet. Is it the ultimate superfood? Diet debate. The raw meat diet is gaining popularity among health enthusiasts, but what does it truly entail? Advocates claim it can lead to increased energy, improved digestion, and better nutrient absorption. They often cite historical diets and ancestral eating habits as proof of its benefits. By consuming foods like raw beef, fish, and organ meats, followers believe they're accessing pure, unprocessed nutrition. This approach is said to preserve enzymes and nutrients that cooking might destroy. However, it's essential to consider the risks involved in such a diet. Raw meats can harbor harmful bacteria and parasites, leading to serious health issues like salmonella or E. coli infections. Proper sourcing and handling of meats are crucial to minimize these risks. Nutritional needs vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to understand your body and its unique requirements. So, is the raw meat diet the ultimate superfood? Or is it a risky venture? It's worth researching and consulting a health professional before diving into such a drastic dietary change. Consider gradual shifts and keep an open dialogue with nutrition experts. Want to learn more? Visit our website to explore further into different nutritional paths and their impacts.